In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly transfer your notes from Google Keep into Google Docs with a few simple steps. This is an excellent way to organize your thoughts, prepare documents for sharing or editing, or simply keep a more structured format for future reference. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google Keep. For those of you who are new to this fantastic tool, Google Keep is a versatile note-taking service connected to your Google account, allowing you to take notes on different devices in real time. Once you're logged in, you'll see all your notes neatly displayed. Take a moment to skim through your notes and find the one you want to transfer. Once you've found it, click to open it, ensuring you've selected the correct note. When your note is open, direct your attention to the top right corner of your screen. You'll notice 3 vertical dots right next to the label icon, which represents additional options. Go ahead and click on these dots. A drop-down menu will appear showing several options. What you want to do here is choose Copy to Google Docs. This simple action will prompt Google Keep to create a copy of your note inside Google Docs. You'll see a notification that confirms your note was copied, along with a link to open the document in Google Docs. You can click this link to check out your newly created document. For those of you who want to transfer a batch of notes or even all of your notes, there's an alternative method using Google Takeout. Start by navigating to takeout.google.com. Once there, you'll need to deselect everything first, as we're focusing solely on exporting Google Keep notes. After deselecting all other services, scroll down and locate Google Keep. Then go ahead and check that option. Now click on Next and you'll be taken to the next page where you'll select Create Export. This export process may take a little while depending on how many notes you have and the size of each note. Google will compile your notes into an archive and you'll receive an email notification once the export is ready. While Google is preparing your archive, feel free to continue working on other tasks as this process happens in the background. And that's it. You're done. Once your notes are transferred or your archive is ready, you'll have successfully turned your quick sites or jotted down ideas into organized documents with ease. Whether you choose to transfer notes individually or in bulk, these methods are efficient and incredibly user-friendly. Transferring notes from Google Keep to Google Docs or exporting them all together provides a clearer and more comprehensive experience when managing your thoughts and projects. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this guide has made your digital note-taking even smoother.